Today is Sunday, 31 of October 2021. The Israeli Occupation Army, after waiting around 2 hours and a half, didn't come, and they led the children under the rain and the cold of the winter. And now we are moving without the army, passing the illegal outpost of Bat Maun, and under the threat to be attacked from the Israeli occupation settlers. And as you see, most like the young children, they're scared of passing the road because of the settlers. But then they want to go to their houses, and because of the cold of the winter, cannot wait under the trees with the cold. Zuhur, خايفة؟ Scared, afraid of the settler now, because she's the first time she worked with us without the army. See? What do you want? What are you doing? شو جبر وشوق وزهور، كيف الوضع بعد ما مرقنا الطريق بدون جيش؟ كويس. ها؟ كويس. ما كنتوش خايفين؟ لا. شو زهور؟ بقيت خايفة؟ هذه البنت عشان أول مرة بتمشي معانا كانت خايفة اليوم. Nice adventure with the small kids and Jabir, and now we reach Tuba, as you see, and we passed the illegal outpost of Bat Maun, and now I am going back to Tuani, and see you.